Transform your muffin tin into a breakfast powerhouse. My cheesy baked ham and egg cups are low carb, quick, and easy to make. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about breakfast. We're making my baked ham and egg cups. Let's get started. Baked ham and egg cups, what could they be? This is a super quick, super easy breakfast item that I made. I got tired of the same old things and I got bored, so I looked around my kitchen and I came up with this idea. I have here a muffin tin, and it is a nonstick muffin tin, but I want to give it a little spray with some cooking spray because I don't want to take the chance of anything sticking. Just a light spray. Just like that. Let's start with the ham. I have here 16 ounces or 450 grams thereabouts of sliced deli ham. Now this is what we in America call imported ham, but you can use whatever you like. You can even use prosciutto, which is very nice. For this ham, I'm just going to need one slice per cup, and I'm going to make 6 today, so I'll need 6 slices. Now, if the ham you have is very thin, or if you're using something like prosciutto, then you might need to use 2 or 3 slices. Very simple. You take a slice of ham, and you just push it in, just like that. Make a little cup. And it's okay that it sits over the top. I'll keep going. I'll do 6 of them. Now these don't have to be perfectly shaped. That's part of the fun. Now if you'll notice, I have a 12-cup tin here, but I'm only using 6, so I'm leaving space in between. You could cram them in, but this way the edges are going to crisp up and get really nice. Each one will be a little different, and that's okay. It all depends on how it fits in the cup. Now, I'm feeling a little decadent today. I'm going to take this guy here. I'm going to put in a second piece. This will be mine, just because. No one will notice. I'll know. All right, my ham is in. Now this is a great time to add some additions if you want. I'm showing you the basic recipe, but right now you could add in some chilies or salsa on the bottom, maybe some mustard, a bed of spinach, some sauteed onions or sauteed peppers. All that would go in now. Another layer of flavor. My ham is done. Eggs are next, but let's talk eggs. I have here some beautiful farm fresh eggs from a local farm. For you New Jersey people, these eggs came from Fresh Con Farms in Franklinville, New Jersey. These are just beautiful, and I always tell you all, look around, go on the internet and search. You're going to find farms near you or where you can get farm fresh eggs. But look at these. Blues, dark brown, beige, white, all kinds of colors. They are delicious, and they make all the difference. I want to have 1 egg per cup. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to crack each one into this bowl. Why am I doing that? I don't want to get any shell in here. If I have a piece of shell in here, it's done. And if there's that 1 in 100,000 million chance that you get a bad egg, if you put it in here first, you're done. So always crack your eggs into something different. Let's start with this beautiful blue egg. Perfect. And look at the color of that yolk. Now, very carefully, so you don't break the yolk, you're going to pour it right in here. Now, don't worry if it looks like it's leaking out beneath the ham. It will be fine. I'll do the rest. Alrighty, my eggs are in the cups, And then we need to add a little seasoning. I know there's salt in the ham, but eggs can take it. They need a little bit more. So I'm going to give them just a little sprinkle of salt and pepper. Now, these are cheesy ham and egg cups. I have here 8 ounces, 225 grams of shredded cheese. This is a pre-shredded mix that I bought at the store. You can buy pre-shredded. You can use whatever cheese you like. You can grate it yourself, buy it pre-shredded. This is great with mozzarella or Swiss. This happens to be a Colby Jack and cheddar mixture. It's delicious, whatever you like. I'm just going to put a healthy pinch on each one. I probably won't use the whole 8 ounces today. You never know. These are ready for the oven. I'm going to bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for about 15 minutes or until the yolk is set. You may be asking, I like a runny yolk. Why do you have to bake until the yolk is set? A lot of times this is served as finger food. You don't want people picking this up with their hands and biting into a drippy yolk. So just until the yolk is set. Off to the oven. Here we are out of the oven. Now I bake these for about 15 minutes till they're nice and set. Let's take one out, give it a taste. Now I'm going to take this one that I used 2 pieces of ham. Look how easily that comes out. Thanks to a little bit of cooking spray. Let's cut in and see how it looks. Perfectly done. The yolk is just set. Look at that color. How glorious is that? I might be tempted to eat it with a fork and knife, but it's just you guys. I'm going to dive right in. Wow. So simple, but amazing. You get all at once. You get the fresh egg, saltiness from the ham, creaminess from the cheese. It's just this perfect little bite. This is wonderful. Now, if I were serving this for brunch, I'd have a little brunch time cocktail with it to wash it down. I have a little screwdriver today. If you like this episode, maybe if you've learned something, do us a favor, sign up for our newsletter. And while you're at it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. You'll never miss an episode of Let's Celebrate TV. Now, I'm going to go, sneak away and probably devour all of these while my family isn't looking. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.